Hey everybody, this is Pete Schramm. Want to take just a couple of minutes here to go through how to get set up on Lattitude. Remember, career guidance, professional development with an emphasis on mentorship. In this quick video, we're going to go through how to find the email, set up your account, your profile, get the different details in there, and then get into completing that mentor match assessment. So we're going to come into our email. I'm just in Gmail here for this one, and I don't see any unread messages in here. So I'm going to actually come over to social, see if there's anything in there. No, just some stuff from Facebook. Over to promotions. Here it is. Okay, so I'm going to go into Lattitude. I see that this one came from invitations@golatitude.com just a couple of minutes ago. I'm going to go ahead and click on accept the invitation. I've read this. I'm going to go ahead and create my password. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and create my password. And I'm going to click continue. Might take a couple of moments here. Reminder that this is going to securely capture your password so that you can use that same email address to log in again. All right, if you get to this screen, you made it. Reminder, we want to be doing this on our computer. We prefer Windows browser in Chrome. You can use Safari if you're on a different device. You can use your mobile, but we really recommend to go through this on a computer desktop. Here's my name. I can change it if I want to, put in my LinkedIn if I need to, and then I'm going to come down to the resume. So I had this ready to go. I'm just going to drag and drop over. Reminder, we have this heads up down here. It says, hey, you got to wait for about 63 seconds. So why do we say about 63 seconds? Well, there's a whole lot of different things that could happen along the way. The longer resumes, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pages, they're going to take a little bit longer to parse. We recommend that you just have a Word file and save it as a PDF and then bring it over to Lattitude and drop it in here. So we're going to wait until this green next button actually becomes green and it's clickable. Don't touch anything else. Don't click off the screen. We want to just hang out here until that becomes highlighted so that we can actually go through it. And again, 63 seconds, maybe it takes 2 minutes, but we just want you to hang out here. There we go. Resume uploaded successfully. Even if there's an error message there and you can click next, I want you to go ahead and click next. What you're going to see that happens here is some of the different details from my resume have been populated. Pete, are they going to be entirely perfect? They might not be perfect, I'm going to be honest with you, but what we're doing by this step is to make your life a little bit easier as you're going through these different details. So the first one is education. We can add different details in here later if we want to. Let's just go ahead, keep progressing through. So here's some of the certifications, right? Dimension 2 of that career map that's in here. Then I'm going to get into some of the experiences. And it might be a little bit different if you upload the resume today, or if you had a password reset, you upload your resume a second time. So this one has a couple of my different experiences in here. I'm going to go ahead and click next. Of course, it might say that there's a form validation field. Well, I bet you that's because it doesn't know that I'm currently working at this position. So if you get that error, go back in, expand these different details, and as applicable, click where you are currently working so that's in there. You can add different details in here later on. I'm going to go ahead and click next. I'll come back to that later on, show you what's possible in here. So I'm going to scroll up and I'm going to add one pathway. You're going to see what this looks like. First priority, second priority, third priority. This is just going to be the first one. I'm going to say that this pathway, right, these are a couple of things in the future. Again, you can add these details later. I'm just going to put in a couple of pieces to get us started. So I'm going to say this is cyber analyst. It doesn't fix your A-N-A-L-Y-S-T. It doesn't fix your spelling. So then I just need to put in the area of interest, which is going to be the path. And then inside the path, I'm going to have different options. So this could just, for example, be cyber 1. I'm going to put in the level over here as level 1. I don't have to put in these other details yet. I can, and we'll come back and add more details later on, add a second trajectory. So then this can be cyber 2. And this can be level 2. I'm going to show you what this can look like in just a moment here. Add another pathway. Maybe I want to do more stuff around being an author, okay? I'm going to come in and I'm going to say author And I'm going to say level 1 for this, and then I'm going to come down and just go ahead and click submit. So what this is going to do now is think for a few moments, and it's generating my career map. Okay, cool. What do I have in here? Well, I see that some of my positions have been visualized. If I want to go back in and add some more detail or add one more of those, I can do that. I see some of these different details of where I'm currently working in there. Okay, cool. I can go back in and add another position if I want to. And this is where it gets to be a lot of fun. So, cyber analyst, there we go. Roll 1, roll 2. Who knows where I could go next? I can put 3 different pathways in here as I want to. Cool. You did all the necessary steps. Soon, what's going to happen is dashboard, and you're going to get an email here pretty soon that's going to actually show you what to be doing next. So now that we're here, I'm going to go back to my email. I'm going to go back into the home page and see if there's anything in the inbox. Oh, there we go. Find your perfect mentor. Help us match you. So this time it was in my inbox. Let's go ahead and open it up. And this one came to me. It came from notify at golatitude.com. If there were a couple of them, I'm just going to make sure that I'm going to the one that came at 0 minutes ago. I'm going to click take the survey. It might ask me to log in again. Or I can just go ahead and start completing the survey. There we go. I'll keep progressing through. It's going to just educate me on some of these different details. Sweet. I can keep moving. Wonderful. The other thing, if I come back into the app and I click refresh, I'm going to see that that task is there. So whether I was still in the platform and I got the task, or I waited until it met me in the email. Remember, you don't have to camp out on Latitude. It's going to meet you in your inbox. So if we wanted to do a test, we're closed out of everything. I'm just going to go ahead and click take the survey. Boom, it's still going to take me right into the survey.